Are you planning a hammock camping trip? Today, we're diving into the world of hammock camping, where relaxation meets adventure. Make sure you watch this video first. In this comprehensive guide, we reveal the top 10 hammock camping mistakes that could turn your outdoor adventure into a disaster. From improper setup techniques to forgetting essential gear, we cover it all to ensure you have the ultimate camping experience. Don't let these mistakes ruin your trip. Watch now and prepare for a stress-free adventure. Mistake number 10. Inadequate insulation. Underestimating the importance of insulation can leave you shivering through the night. Even in warm climates, nighttime temperatures can drop significantly. Use appropriate insulation such as an underquilt or sleeping pad to stay warm and comfortable. Mistake number 9. Lack of proper knot knowledge. Tying your hammock with improper knots can result in instability and potential accidents. Take the time to learn and practice essential knots like the taut line hitch or the trucker's hitch to ensure a secure setup. Mistake number 8. Sagging hammocks. Ever felt like you're sinking into a hammock pit? That's because it's not properly tensioned. Keep your hammock taut for optimal comfort and support. Aim for a 30-degree angle and at a sitting height where your feet can touch the ground. Trust me, your back will thank you. Mistake number 7. Overlooking gear quality. Investing in high-quality gear is essential for a comfortable camping experience. Cheap hammocks or poorly constructed rain tarps can fail when you need them most. Opt for reputable brands and durable materials to avoid disappointment. Mistake number 6. Neglecting tree health. Hanging your hammock from unhealthy or dead trees can pose a risk to both you and the environment. Always inspect trees for signs of rot, disease, or insect damage before setting up your hammock. Avoid using trees with loose or dead branches that could fall during the night. Mistake number 5. Forgetting bug protection. Failing to protect yourself from insects can result in discomfort and sleepless nights. Mosquitoes, ticks, and other pests can quickly ruin your camping experience. Invest in bug nets or bug repellents to keep unwanted critters at bay. Mistake number 4. Improper sleeping position. Sleeping diagonally in a hammock can provide better support and reduce strain on your back. Experiment with different positions until you find what works best for you. Mistake number 3. Unsafe cooking practices. While it may be tempting to cook your meals right next to your hammock, it's important to maintain a safe distance to prevent accidents. Set up your cooking area away from your sleeping area to avoid any mishaps. Mistake number 2. Lack of rain protection. Mother Nature doesn't always play nice, so be prepared for unexpected showers. Underestimating the importance of rain protection can lead to a soggy and uncomfortable night's sleep. Always have a reliable rainfly or tarp to shield your hammock from unexpected downpours. Remember, staying dry is key to staying comfortable outdoors. And finally, mistake number 1, leaving no trace. As outdoor enthusiasts, it's our responsibility to leave nature as we found it. Forgetting to follow. Leave no trace principles can harm the environment and spoil the experience for future campers. Always pack out your trash, avoid damaging vegetation, and minimize your impact on the surrounding area. Remember, leave only footprints and take only memories. So there you have it, 10 hammock camping mistakes to avoid on your next outdoor excursion. By taking the time to set up your hammock correctly, choosing the right location, and investing in quality gear, you'll ensure a safe and enjoyable camping experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Happy camping!